it's Davida with WTI. This is the AFEO-Dining chair in the color white, or as you can see here, clear, translucent. I have never seen a chair like this before. It's just super contemporary and modern, and I love it. It would go great in so many different types of spaces. If you have a beauty room, I think it would be so cute in there. You can also use this as your office desk chair. You can use it in a dining room space like I have it here, or you can even put it in your living room, in your bedroom, just as an accent chair, and it's so cute. I have it paired here with like a little fuzzy cushion, but of course you can remove that and you can just have it in its natural state, being that translucent clear color, and I think it would be so pretty. It's comfortable. It has these little armrests here on the side, and just sitting back in the chair, it's still super comfortable. So I like the wooden legs also. I think that gives it a really nice touch. Great chair overall. I'd recommend it, and that's my point of view.